I think I'm gonna go. Never mind. I don't need that. I was gonna get something, but it doesn't matter. You're still gonna beat me because this is dumb. Oh, there you go. You didn't switch that time. That was a fail.
Let's go from left to right.
Dang, dude.
Hanson, you don't use foresight. You fail. I'll switch back. Switch back.
Go. Get in the car.
No, don't put up the stats.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Alright, this time I'll use overhead prayers.